To the teachers out there, Para saw in you too. Sharing this mini projector that is so helpful during this time now face-to-face now and class. Remote, mini tripod, HDMI cord, and its power cord. The projector is so lightweight. AMD it has one USB port, also has a built-in speaker, but not so loud. But no problem cause you can connect it to a Bluetooth speaker. And now I'm testing inside my classroom that has open windows, and it's so nice. I'm using here the standard projector white screen and just look at it. It's still clear enough to be read by the last student at the back.
They can change hosts, they can reformat, and this contract was negotiated by Mr. Tobiera pa ang nag-negotiate ng time na yun. We have to honor the contract as long as there is no breach of its provisions. Kasi, ibang contract it has legal consequences.
Dagdag pa ni Atty. Adet.
Yung palabas, meron si Baba, lilipat ko.
Amber.
Lalakas ko, lalakas.
Amber. Panood kasi yun, anak.
They say, if you want to tell a story, you gotta start at the beginning.
Simulan na ng Pilipinas at Amerika ang konsultasyon para sa civil nuclear cooperation sa mga susunod na linggo. Nauna itong inihayag ni U.S. Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson, bunsod ng pagbisita ni Pangulong Marcos.
Yung puwet niya.
잘할 수 있어. 걱정도 말자야. 화나 오지 마.
Main para mo dako.
Amo ba?
Oo.
Okay.